booked one of these van tours, and one of the stops, he takes you into the countryside on the way to Guatape for lunch, and you're gonna eat at a farm or like a local's house, because he says they like to support the local economy. So we're going to some farmer's house to eat right now. Check this out. These awesome hippie guys are gonna pick you up right in the morning. They'll pull up in their vans, and then they drive you out to this farm where all of the food is made fresh on the farm that day. The eggs, everything is amazing, organic, no pesticides, no GMOs. Anyway, the dudes are hilarious. They're like Cheech and Chong. I suggest you take this.
For Colombia.
And tu nombre?
Andres.
So Andres will be your host. I can't really explain where we're gonna go because most of it is a surprise, but the first stop I will show you. You go on top of this mountain here to have breakfast with that view, and they make everything fresh from the farm. It's absolutely amazing. Breakfast is one of the best I've had here in Colombia. These are the vans, they're comfortable, they're gonna buzz you around. The whole thing starts about 8:30 in the morning, and they'll have you back in Medellin around 7:30 at night. Medellin, yeah. The guy's a beauty, man. He packed this beer secretly and brought us to the third stop, the swimming spot. This little Welsh guy right here moved in with us because he realizes how much fun we are. My name's Tom. Phil, pull up your trousers. Pull your socks up. Tony Fuego with the caco. Tony, are you throbbing? Tone's throbbing. Sean, are you throbbing? Sean's not throbbing. Sean's a little boy. Gonna go for a swim.
You guys need to get tested, man.
Fucking, it's a little brisk, but when you do, it's good.
It's good, yeah.
Yeah. After you go for a swim, this boat picks you up and it takes you to another location. I have no idea where that is, but we're about to find out. Jackie Chan.
Because everybody be calling me Jackie Chan.
Which direction are we going from here?
Oh,
Over there?
Get some views of the rock.
Once you cruise on the boat a little bit, you're gonna come around this bend, get this crazy view of the rock. This is a little cottage area. Like, this is baller, man. Imagine you have that right on your lake. Look, I didn't sign up to be a fucking tour guide, all right? So the description I'm gonna give you is what you get. This is like Medellin's cottage country. It's only an hour away. It's man-made. It's 25 square miles. They made a dam and then it filled up, but the cottages are ballin'. Apparently there's a lot of like professional wakeboarders that own stuff here and some other like famous water sports people. I think next time I'll book an Airbnb and do like Colombia's version of cottaging. We're at the Rocka. To go up to the top, they got this little area here, more tourist trap bullshit. I'm just gonna get a snack, one of these empanadas or something. Empanada carne? No. Yeah, perfecto. Uno. Thank you, Miss Valeria, for the empanada and no water. You didn't even offer me any water. You knew, you looked at the staircase and you looked at the gringo and you said, you know what? That guy, he don't need no water. That guy ain't gonna go to the top just fine. You f***ed me over, dude. You ruined. There's people dying, okay? I needed water. I don't even know how they built this. Like, some kid here trying to get dates. Shout out to this guy trying to get some dates. What a dangerous job. You guys are brave. This is cool. Is this your house too?
Yes.
How many houses do you have?
No, the other one is not my house.
Don't lie to me.
Yes.
You're lying to me.
No.
Yeah, you have too many sucasas.
You lie to me. You say 8 people and you come 4 people.
Oh
and
yeah.
I lost the spots.
Because too many chicas last night.
I know, but that's not my problem.
This is my first language. Feel free to correct me if I am wrong.
Over here we have some lentils with carrots. On this side, tuna, the fish itself is being brought from the Pacific of the country of Colombia. Rice with carrots, mushrooms with some garlic, salt, and black pepper. Lettuce with uchuas with a balsamic vinegar. Rice, it looks quite green because it was cooked with the spinach. Chickpeas. With bacon, tocino. Quinoa with purple onions, tomato, cilantro, and a little bit of black pepper. Ground meat from beef with carrots, rugula with strawberries, and chipotle sauce. Grilled potato, one of the many kind of potatoes we have, with some garlic, salt, a little bit of black pepper. Tomato, avocado, and cilantro, and salt and lime.
That's all you can think about is nighttime.
So tired, but the food is great. Everybody agree? Worth it?
It's really worth it.
I told him he's a hippie and he just keeps laughing at me. He never has shoes on. He's taking us to the second last location. He says it's a secret. This is the view. What do you guys think?
Awful.
Terrible. Yeah. It's really bad. Really bad. Don't come here. It's bad. Dude, that's all the jungle down there. I can laugh too.
Wow. He's gonna laugh at us.
It is worth it. The guys that run it are like the chillest dudes. I never knew they had hippies here in Colombia. You guys are so relaxed. Like, everything is funny, no matter what you say. They're always laughing. His favorite song. Guatape, the city, not far from the Rock, maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes. I'm gonna do a little walk around, some quick shots, and then we're heading back. Reminds you of like Portugal or Spain. It's very European. I like these little lampposts and stuff. It's pretty cool. It's really chill here. It's probably somewhere you would go with like your girl. I don't think there's any like real nightlife here. There may be like 1 or 2 bars or a hostel, but that's about it. So this is it, this cool little colorful city. It's known for coffee. There's a lot of like water sports stuff you can do around here. You can take a bus from Medellin. It's like $5.50 or something. It'll take you to the Rock and take you here. And a random fact, it was founded on October 4th, 1911. So I'm gonna close out Guatape. Did a little quick tour for you guys. So our time expired at our other Airbnb. This is the second one and it is absolutely insane. It might even have topped the last one. Front patio, walking to these big doors, 8-foot doors. This house was a steal. I think we got it for like 230 US a night. We were one of the first guests to ever stay in it. It's 5 bedrooms, has a hot tub and steam room on the roof. It comes with a maid, a chef, a driver, and 24/7 security. It's in a gated community. The link is in the description. Tom just arrived, our other buddy that we made out here on the trip. He's like, this is the poshest neighborhood. You picked the poshest neighborhood.
Lace up your trainers, bring your socks as high as you can possibly go.
You're listening to BBC Radio 1. This track is brought to you by Big Frabbas, Frabba City. You heard it here first. BBC Radio 1.
City Records.
That is it for part 2 of the Medellin 3-part series. I got another one coming up, stay tuned, but shout out to the guys at Van Tour, Colombia. If you guys want to do that tour or you're curious, you have questions, whatever, their contact is in the description. Also, La Solar was dope. Our VIP tickets were like $100 US. Peggy Goo, Tiesto, and Disclosure, plus a bunch of others. It's a 2-day event. I highly recommend you do it. Or even if there is another concert down there, I would just do it in general. It's so damn cheap. And yeah, that's it, man. Shut your fucking mouth. Like, sub, share, slap your dad, and tell your mom she's an angel.